Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your man Will X Official, and in today's video showing you guys a mod, easy mod every 5.0 owner should do, and debatably every car, every owner should do. Help your engine stay alive and stay strong.
I'm stronger, I'm smarter, I'm better, I am better.
That's what you want. Keep your engine strong. Now let's go ahead and get to it. What is this? It's going to be a oil separator for your car, or in other words, oil catch can. Now I went with the J&L oil catch can. If you go on JLT's website, it'll be the J&L oil catch can as well. It's the same thing. It's all rebranded as the same name now. You can get pretty much any one. Now let me go ahead and take this engine cover off, guys, before I can show you guys how to install it. Really, this is going to replace this PCV system, which honestly you probably don't have to take the engine cover off, but taking off makes it easier and a whole lot more easier to see, especially for you guys. This is my first time doing this, so I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys. Now just taking this engine cover off, you guys will see some little grooves, like right here. You could use a screwdriver, whatever you want, and pop that thing up and then take it out. I'm going to actually cut the camera off so I can use two hands, be more careful. I don't want that falling down. And just so you know, the bolts under there is going to be a 10 mil. So I'll catch y'all in the next clip. So just like that, guys, the engine cover is off. All you really need is the 10 mil for this bolt and this bolt. As you can see, my engine cover is pretty dirty, which I do care a bit about that, but that's not the point of this video. The point of the video is to replace this old PCV valve system with the new oil catch can. So how you take the old one off, you see this latch here? That's why I want to take the cover off so you guys can see and so I can see myself. Move that over and you just, there we go, pop it out like that. Same with this side. Move it over, pop it out. Now you see the material? Okay, nice sturdy material. Let me show you the old catch can. J&L old catch can. This is what's going to save your Coyote or whatever car you have that's direct injected. This is what saves it. So let me go ahead and pop this bad boy on. As you guys see, it's close to factory tubing and the quality is really good as well. So got the oil catch can right here, guys. And actually what you would do, J&L oil separator company, great reviews, guys. What as simple as this thing does, how do you check it? Just take this off and it's a really good material, strong metal, O-ring even seems good, and you would just simply check here for oil. Dump it. There'll be oil and a little bit of gas actually, and what this does is go through here and it'll go through here and it'll come out here, and then they have a little filter that pretty much catches the oil and all that gas, you know, gas vapors as well. So you want to check this maybe every time you do your oil change. See, this thing is a little hold on, guys, let me see if I can move this over a little bit. It's a little cold out, which, okay, make sure it clicks like that. So now you know it's, so when it clicks, you know it's on good. And yeah, you can move it around a bit, but it pretty much just stays put. And if you have some big hands like me, I wear about a size large, extra large glove, and you would just check that way, or take the engine cover off, or just roll with no engine cover. I really do want to clean this, so I might roll with no engine cover for a bit. But that's pretty much that, guys. Hope y'all enjoy the video. This will save your car in the long run, and I'll catch you guys in the next run. It's your man Will, and I'm out.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run.